RX Safety is going to offer discounts throughout the entire website on both Black Friday and Cyber Monday. This makes it a great opportunity to get ahead of the holiday present shopping that's approaching. We all have someone, whether family or friends, that could benefit from one of our items this holiday season. And this sale makes a great opportunity to get those people something unique and practical at the same time. Showing someone that you value their safety and protection by getting a product at our site will show them just how important they are to you. You're taking a different approach to the holidays. Ensure they have the right prescription safety glasses and safety glasses in general to be able to have a safer working environment for themselves. Prescription safety glasses RXQ368. A great option is the stylish wraparound styled frames. This means the peripherals are protected without the additional need for side shields. These frames are big enough to fit larger sized heads, and these safety glasses are also prescription available. The RXQ368 comes in 4 color and style options. The color options are military green, beige, camouflage, black, and blue. With this style comes safety and durability with its TR90 nylon construction. This also helps to keep the frames lightweight so they can be worn all day long without any issues. In addition, they come approved with ANSI Z87-2 Plus ratings. This means that these frames provide optimal protection against both high velocity and high impact projectiles. Gyardo safety glasses. These are another excellent option. Extremely lightweight due to the frame being constructed from TR90 nylon and also being semi-rimless. A great gift for those that are shooting hobbyists and could benefit from the protection that comes from the Gyardo safety glasses. These glasses meet ANSI Z87 Plus high impact and high velocity protection. At the same time, they come in a wraparound design with rubberized nose pads and temple guards, so you benefit from a comfortable and secure fit. The lens color options are orange, yellow, clear, and dark gray. You can also get prescription inserts that fit with each frame. That means you can grab as many choices as possible, but only need one prescription insert when necessary. As long as you get the correct prescription, you can build out the lenses to come with the frames to complete the gift this holiday season.